Hello, everybody. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the second episode about sustainable agriculture. Indian agriculture is at a crossroads with the climate crisis escalating in both frequency and severity. Sustainable agriculture mitigates climate change by sequestering carbon in healthy soils, cutting greenhouse gas emissions, and optimizing resource use. Key methods include no-till farming, agroforestry, cover cropping, and precision nutrient management. These practices build long-term climate resilience while maintaining food production. Can agriculture overcome the challenges of income, soil and nutrition in a warming India? Let us understand more about it. In the past 4 decades, 30% of our districts witnessed high numbers of deficient rainfall years, while 38% endured frequent years of excessive rainfall. These intensifying extreme climate events have noticeably affected farmers, with an 8 and 5% drop in rice yield in South and East India, respectively. As climate projections signal further warming and erratic weather, India's agricultural systems face alarming threats. The degree of impact, however, will vary across agricultural households depending on their exposure, existing vulnerabilities, and the capacity to adapt. Climate change severely threatens Indian agriculture by causing lower crop yields, erratic monsoon rains, and extreme weather like droughts and floods. Without major adaptations, yields for key staples like rain-fed rice, wheat, and match could drop significantly by 2050, endangering national food security and rural livelihoods. Yes, Indian agriculture can overcome these hurdles, but only through a rapid shift towards sustainable agriculture practices, SAPs, and climate-resilient farming. By treating income, soil health, and nutrition as connected parts of one system, India can protect its rural communities from rising temperatures and severe weather shocks. Fixing soil health. Use organic compost, green manure, and biofertilizers to rebuild lost soil carbon. Practice no-till farming and crop rotation to stop soil erosion and hold onto vital moisture. Follow balanced nutrient guidelines through programs like the Soil Health Card Scheme. Boosting farmer incomes. Move away from single crop farming by growing a mix of cereals, pulses, and vegetables to spread financial risk. Adopt smart, water-saving tools like drip irrigation to cut down high daily farming costs. Grow climate-adapted crop varieties that resist heat and survive sudden dry spells. Improving nutrition. Diversify food production by adding nutrient-rich millets, legumes, and local fruits to farm plans. Support community-led kitchen gardens to supply fresh food directly to rural households. Update public food distribution systems to include diverse, micronutrient-dense crops instead of only relying on rice and wheat. Building climate resilience in agriculture means strengthening the everyday systems of production and care in which farmers are embedded. Prioritizing localized planning, holistic monitoring, and household-centered support can help scale the already available sustainability mechanisms within these ecosystems, leading to a more stable, inclusive, and adaptive agricultural future. Subscribe to our channels to stay connected with the latest updates in the field of agriculture. Follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram,